Hello everyone, Rovina here. Welcome back to Spices and Aromas. Today I'm going to prepare a popular Mangalorean dish, Kori Sukka, which is also called as Kori Ajadina. Sukka means dry. This is a chicken dry preparation with lots of coconut. As we all know, Mangaloreans love to have a lot of coconut in any kind of preparation. Here I am using my own Rovina's chicken sukka masala powder. I have a range of masala powders, and the most important thing in this is I don't use any kind of artificial flavors, color or any kind of preservatives. All the details are mentioned in the description box. Please do try my recipe, my masala powders, and please do leave your feedback in the comment section. Now let's start with the marination. I have taken 1 kg of chicken. To this I am going to add 2 tablespoons of Rovina's chicken sukka masala, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder and 2 teaspoons of salt. Give a good mix and keep aside for 15 minutes. Marinating chicken prior helps in giving a very good taste to the dish. Meanwhile, let me prepare the masala for grinding. I have used 3 tablespoons of coconut oil. You can also use ghee. Here I have used 3 cups of coconut. It's approximately 1 small coconut. So you can use it without frying, and also you can semi-fry the coconut, and also you can completely fry it. So there are 3 options. Now off the flame and add 3 tablespoons of Rovina's chicken sukka masala and mix it well. Pulse it once or twice. Now this is the final preparation. I am adding 3 tablespoons of ghee. To this I am adding 2 onions. Fry the onions well till they become transparent. Now you can add 12 cloves of garlic. Fry this for some time. Now add 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Add 3 sprigs of curry leaves and fry it well. Add the marinated chicken and mix it well. Here I will be using tomatoes. You can also use tamarind. I always love to use tomatoes in my cooking as I like the taste with the tomatoes. So I'm using 2 big tomatoes, and I also prefer adding tomatoes after adding meat. The reason is it absorbs, the juice of the tomato is absorbed by the meat well. I am not adding any water here. Just close the lid and let the chicken cook in its own juices. The cooking is done. Now add the ground masala and mix it well. This preparation takes less than 30 minutes. It's very easy to prepare chicken sukka with my masala powder. If you have sudden guest or you don't have anything ready in your kitchen, this would be the best option for you to try. The chicken is completely cooked and the dish is ready. Just don't wait. Prepare some yummy neer dosas and some idlis and or some chapatis. It's really tasty. Thank you for watching my video. Do like my channel, subscribe to it so that you get new updates on my new videos and new recipes.